Alkaline water is defined by its pH level. Regular tap and spring water typically has a neutral pH of 7. Most alkaline waters have a pH of 8 or 9. So the question that came to everyone's mind is alkaline water a healthier choice? A study published in the Journal of Medical Gas Research suggests that consuming alkaline water could have a positive effect on stool consistency and gut microbiota. Another research published in the journal Biology of Sport suggests that drinking alkaline water shows a positive effect on hydration status after intense exercise. Consuming alkaline water was also associated with a positive effect on urine pH during the anaerobic test protocol. So the question is there any danger of drinking alkaline water? Consuming modest amounts of alkaline water, say, a bottle every other day, won't significantly affect your health. However, if you drink a gallon of alkaline water daily, your body has to work hard to maintain its pH, and that means that over time, your body will produce more gastric juices and digestive enzymes. For people who have a kidney condition or are taking medication that alters their kidney function, the minerals in alkaline water could start to accumulate in their bodies. Drinking enough alkaline water to alter your pH could potentially alter your gastrointestinal pH, which could affect your blood pH and increase the risk for metabolic alkalosis. Metabolic alkalosis is a condition that occurs when your blood becomes overly alkaline. So the bottom line is, although no significant risks seem to be associated with alkaline water, there aren't many research-backed benefits, either. When it comes to staying hydrated, plain water might be your best bet. Water labeled alkaline doesn't override your body's natural ability to regulate pH. Whether alkaline water is the health solution we all need is yet to be determined. There don't appear to be any major negative health outcomes that come from drinking alkaline water, but choosing this water can become costly. It may cause damage to a person's wallet unnecessarily.
This information is based on peer-reviewed studies and academic research articles. Their links are provided in description.
For more updates, subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon.